Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use a Brevo to send emails. Brevo email marketing tutorial. Let's jump right in. So first log in your Brevo account. Then here in the dashboard, click the create campaign. Then to create a new campaign, click on the create campaign and select email as the campaign type and enter your campaign name. Click the create campaign to continue. Then once the page loads, you'll be asked to select your recipients. Choose your contact list from the drop-down menu and make sure the recipient list is ready and properly segmented. And fill in the email details, your subject line, and your preview text. Add a short preview text that will appear in inboxes. Then design your email. Choose a template from the Brevo's library or create your email design from scratch. Customize your content, images, and buttons as needed. Then, configure advanced options like from name, reply to email, tracking options, personalizations. Then, once you've reviewed your email, click schedule. You can send immediately and schedule for a specific date and time. And that's it. You've successfully created and scheduled your email campaign in Brevo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.